The sun disappeared. I can make the sun disappear. Abracadabra, poop. A magician said. Wow, the sun really disappeared. The people shouted. Do you believe this story? Yes, the story is true, but the magician is a liar. The magic was done by nature. When the sun, moon, and earth are in a line, the moon hides the sun. Then we can't see the sun. That is called the solar eclipse. Sun, disappear, magician, liar, nature are in a line. Hide, solar eclipse. Sun, disappear, magician, liar, nature are in a line. Hide, solar eclipse.